Introducing Weld On Synthetic Turf Hybrid Adhesive, the durable, flexible solution for a wide range of artificial turf applications. Available in 1 and 2 gallon pails for larger applications, as well as tubes for smaller jobs, Weld On's hybrid adhesive is engineered to outperform and outlast standard alternatives. It eliminates the need for nails at turf seams, delivering a flawless, secure, and safe bond even under heavy use. From lawns and parks to athletic fields and pet zones, this high-performance adhesive delivers dependable results across a wide range of turf applications. Ensure that the substrate is free of dust and grease. When using Weld On waterproof seam tape on soft surfaces across longer seams, secure the seam tape so it stays in place. Lay down an ample amount of adhesive and evenly apply with a notched or serrated trowel. Weld On turf adhesive has a thicker consistency, providing more control for spreading and allowing the adhesive to fully penetrate the turf backing. Align and join the turf seam. Press firmly for a secure seam, ensuring that the turf edges are aligned. Weigh down the joint for a flat, even seam and allow it to set. The adhesive sets in 25 to 40 minutes depending on the ambient temperature and fully cures in 24 hours. For more information, visit weldon.com. Choose Weld On for your next turf project.